If you are looking for a powerful and profitable scalping strategy, then you must try the scalping strategy that will be discussed in this video. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. We have tested this scalping strategy on the Euro-USD pair using a 15-minute time frame and achieved excellent results. However, you can also use this scalping strategy on other pairs and assets. Before we continue, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. To use this scalping strategy, you can go to Tradingview. For this example, we will use the Euro-USD pair. Now set the pair to Euro-USD. Next, set the time frame to 15 minutes. After that, go to the Search Indicator tab and type in Blackpika XBTUSD. Then select Blackpika XBTUSD by PikachuVentures. Next, configure the Blackpika indicator. In the Input tab, change the number for the lookback period to 10. Then change the number for sensitivity to 8.5. Now go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the TP long and TP short boxes. Once done, just click OK to confirm the changes. This Blackpika indicator will be used as a guide to place orders in the market. We just need to follow the signals generated by the indicator. Now add the second indicator that will be used to filter signals in the market. Go to the Search Indicator tab and then type in OBV MACD indicator. Then select OBV MACD indicator by RafaelZioni. Next, configure the OBV MACD indicator. In the Input tab, change the OBV length to 2. Then change the MA length to 10. For the MACD slow length, change the number to 21. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, adjust the opacity of the plot lines to your preference so they are clearly visible. Using the OBV MACD indicator is very easy. If the OBV MACD signal line is blue, it indicates a bullish confirmation. If the OBV MACD signal line is red, it indicates a bearish confirmation. Now let's discuss how to use this scalping strategy. How to place a sell order. If a sell signal appears from the Blackpika indicator, you must confirm the signal. Ensure that the OBV MACD indicator also provides a bearish confirmation. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the last swing high. Use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If a buy signal appears from the Blackpika indicator, you must confirm the signal. Ensure that the OBV MACD indicator also provides a bullish confirmation. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the last swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If a sell signal appears from the Blackpika indicator, you must confirm the signal. Ensure that the OBV MACD indicator also provides a bearish confirmation. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the last swing high. Use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain good money management and trading psychology, as no trading strategy is 100% perfect. That's all for this video, and see you in the next one.